Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and it is time for TinkerHUNT 11, a scavenger hunt in Tinkercad. So let's get cracking. Friends, the way this works is if you find all 5 creatures I've hidden, you can add them as a comment in this video, and if you solve it correctly, I will give you a shout out in next week's video. If you're one of my students, you can also add your comments via Google Classroom. You can also reach out to me on Facebook, Instagram, or Gmail. I am HLModTech on all 3 of those. Lastly, if that doesn't work, you can visit my website, and there's a messaging tool at the very bottom. You can reach out and share your solutions there as well. If you do solve it correctly, I will give you a shout out in next week's video. Friends, this was the best participation yet. I want to thank Hero X Gaming God, Aviuk Shetty, Honeybee Random, Sydney, and Eleonora. Friends, thank you for participating and great job getting a solution. So real quickly, friends, these are the 5 creatures that we're searching for. If I do F for Fit View, we have got a Jack-o'-lantern, we have got a Rocket, we have got Blanky with the Get Crackin' shirt, we have got the Celebrating Kid, and we've got the Unicorn Dude. These are all tutorials I've created. If you look in the description, you can find how to build them if you want to. I have hidden all these creatures in all kinds of locations in the village of Tinkerville. Friends, when you launch the public design from the link in the description, it will look like this. I recommend that you click on any item, press the letter F to fit view, and that lets you zoom in and look all around that room. If you right click drag, you can look at different angles. You can also use the view cube to look at different angles. You can also hold down shift and you can pan as you search for all the items. You can click on items and do Control H, which is hide, and see if maybe I've hidden them under things. You can also click items and you can hide them over here. When you want to bring everything back, you can simply hit show all. If you want to pop back out to have the big view, you simply hit the home button. Friends, this way you can navigate all throughout the project and try and find those 5 awesome creatures I have hidden. If you need instructions again, they will always be up here in the notes, but also I'm giving you those same instructions here in the video. Friends, speaking of being creative, if you ever make something awesome, don't forget you can hit this button right here, generate a link, copy the link, and then you can reach out and share that with me just like you share your answers. I am HLModTech on Facebook, Instagram, and Gmail. You can also find me on Twitter. I am HLTinkerCad. If those options don't work for your friends, don't forget I've also got the website HLModTech.com. I have got a tab dedicated to Tinkercad with all kinds of amazing lessons, and at the very bottom there is the sweet built-in messaging tool. You can click that button, fill in your information, and reach out to me almost instantly. Friends, I have a bonus piece of information for you. I have got 2 more channels. I've got Doodle Jams, and I've got a brand new channel called Sketch It Made Simple. I will put cards up above. If you would click those cards, check out those channels, and hit that subscribe button, I would totally appreciate it. Finally, friends, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like, maybe even hit that share button so more people can learn about HLModTech. If you got a question, comment, or solution, don't forget to add it down below. And of course, if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.